Do you enjoy woodcutting? Are you always looking for new ideas to try out? Are you tired of searching for the best plans only to come up empty? Well, we'd love to help you with that. Woodcutting is an incredible hobby, and when done correctly, can save you a lot of money as well. Just imagine being able to make your own beautiful furniture. Now, we'd love to share our woodcutting secrets with you, where to find the best plans, the best materials to use, and more. Woodcutting and crafting is great, and to get started today, simply follow the directions on this page. We look forward to sharing our secrets with you.